Good morning all to this mathematics class. In the last class we discussed the derivatives of function of a function. That was chain rule. Today we discuss the derivatives of implicit function. Derivatives of implicit function. The last year, the chapter 9 and 10 we studied the straight lines and a conic section. On that two chapters we studied some formulas or equations. Do you remember the equation of a straight line with slope m and y-intercept c? The equation of a straight line with slope m and y-intercept c, that is y is equal to mx plus c. On that chapter 9 straight line, equation of a straight line with x-intercept A and y-intercept B is given by x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. General equation of a straight line on that chapter, general equation of a straight line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then the conic section, equation of a circle with a center at origin and radius r. Equation of a circle with the center at origin and radius r. That is s square plus y square is equal to r square. Again the parabola, equation of the parabola with focus a 0 1 by 4. 0 focus is 1, 0 1 by 4. Then focus is on the y-axis, the parabola is the third or fourth time, and the a is positive 1 by 4 above the x-axis, that is s square is equal to 4ay. A is equal to 1 by 4 into y. Then s square is equal to 4 by 4 1 y. So y is equal to s square. This is the equation of a parabola. This is the equation of a straight line with slope m and y-intercept c. This equation of the straight line with x-intercept a, y-intercept b is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. General equation of the straight line, equation of the circle with center at origin and radius r is s square plus y square plus y square is equal to r square. The first two is the explicit function. Explicit function. These three are implicit function. So y is equal to mx plus c, straight line, y is equal to s square, parabola are the explicit function, others are implicit function. Now today we studied the derivatives of implicit function. The method how to derive, how to find the derivatives of explicit function. Method, first step, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Second step, sum or difference rule apply. Sum or difference rule apply. Third, chain rule apply in each term differentiation case. If then fourth step, take a dy by terms on left side and other terms on the right side. Dy by the terms on left side, other terms on right side. Next step, take a common factor dy by dx on, take a common factor out. Next, find dy by dx is equal to right hand side by coefficient of dy by dx. Final step is dy by dx is equal to right hand side. That was sum of terms of the non dy by terms by coefficient of dy by dx term. That was the method. Chain rule differentiation, first take differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. And sum or difference rule apply, chain rule, and take dy by terms on left side and other terms on the right side. Then the final dy by dx is equal to right side by coefficients of dy by dx. First question, find dy by dx if x minus y is equal to pi. Find dy by dx if x minus y is equal to pi. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. That was the dy by dx of left hand side x minus y is equal to dy by dx of pi. Pi is a constant. Sum rule apply. Dy by dx of first term minus dy by dx of dy by dx, second term derivative is equal to derivative of pi is equal to 0. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus dy by dx. 1 is equal to dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to pi. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then dy by dx of left hand side is equal to dy by dx of right hand side. Sum rule, sum or difference rule, dy by dx of first term minus dy by dx is equal to derivative of pi 0. Derivative of x is 1 minus dy by dx is equal to 0. Then 1 is equal to dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to 1. Second question, find dy by dx if y plus sin y is equal to cos x. y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Differentiate both sides. With respect to x, then dy by dx of left hand side function expression is equal to dy by dx of cos x. Sum rule, dy by dx of first term plus dy by dx of sin y is equal to derivative of cos x with respect to x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x with respect to x minus sin x. The first no change dy by dx plus chain rule apply. Derivative of sin y. Derivative of sin y is equal to cos y into derivative of into dy by dx. Derivative of sin y is equal to cos y into derivative into dy by dx. Is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of sin y with respect to x. So we take dy by dx of sin y is equal to sin y by dy into dy by dx. That is the derivative of sin y with respect to y is equal to cos y into dy by dx. So remember, derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x. But here derivative of sin y with respect to x, that is derivative of sin y with respect to y, cos y into dy by dx. Then take a dy by terms left side, common factor out, 1 plus cos y is equal to minus sin x. Again last step, dy by dx is equal to right hand side minus sin x by coefficient of dy by 1 plus cos y. This is the method, implicit function rule. Third question, find dy by dx if 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Two x plus 3y is equal to sin x. This is an implicit function. Implicit form, differentiate method is differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then derivative of dy by dx on left hand side dx plus 3y is equal to dy by dx of sin x. Method, sum rule apply. Dy by dx of first term plus dy by dx of second term is equal to, what is derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. Then derivative of constant into function. Constant into derivative of x into derivative of 3y. 3 into dy by 3 into derivative of y is equal to cos x. 2 into derivative of x is 1 plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x. Next step, dy by terms left side. 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 plus 2 become minus 2. Then dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 by coefficient of dy by dx is 3. d2x plus 3y is equal to sin x, implicit form. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The dy by dx of left hand side is equal to dy by dx of right hand side. Sum rule, dy by dx of 2x plus dy by dx of 3y is equal to derivative of sin x with respect to x is result cos x. Then sum rule, 2 into derivative of x1 plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x. Then take a dy by terms left side, other terms on right side, then cos x minus 2 dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 by 3. Fourth question. A square plus ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Another implicit function, ax plus by square is equal to cos y. The derivatives of implicit, this is implicit function mixture of x and y. Method is differentiate both sides with respect to x. Sum or difference rule apply. Then chain rule apply. Take a dy by terms, dy by dx term left side, other terms on right side. Then final step, dy by dx is equal to right hand side by coefficient of dy by dx. So differentiate both sides. With respect to x. Then dy by dx of left hand side ax plus by square is equal to dy by dx of cos y. Sum rule, dy by dx of ax plus dy by dx of by square is equal to dy by dx of cos y. Dy by dx of cos x is minus sin x, but dy by dx of cos y is derivative of cos y with respect to y become minus sin y into dy by dx. This here also chain rule. Then derivative of ax is constant a into derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1 plus b into constant b into dy by dx of y is square. Derivative of y square, dy by dx of y square. Derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Chain rule apply. Derivative of dy by dx of y square is equal to derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. This is the derivative of y square using chain rule is equal to minus sin y into dy by dx. Take a dy by terms on left side. A into 1 is constant, take a right side. Then here we get 2by into dy by dx minus sin by dy by dx, take a left side positive sin y into dy by dx is equal to non dy by dx has only one term that was positive a, that become minus a. Dy by dx is equal to, take out, then 2by plus sin y. Common factor taking out, then minus a. Last step, dy by dx is equal to right hand side minus a by coefficient of dy by dx. What are the coefficient of 2by plus sin y? This is the dy by dx. Differentiate. Fifth question. Find dy by dx if xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Find dy by dx if xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Method, this is the implicit function. For method is differentiate both sides with respect to x, sum or difference rule apply, and chain rule, take a dy by terms on left side and other terms on right side. Final step, dy by dx is equal to right hand side by coefficient of dy by dx. So differentiate dy by dx of left side plus y square is equal to dy by dx of tan x plus y. Sum rule apply, dy by dx of xy plus dy by dx of y square is equal to dy by dx of tan x first plus dy by dx. This is the derivative of product of two function. Product of two function is first function into derivative of product of two function is first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. First function x into dy by dx of second function y plus second function y into dy by dx of first function x. Product will apply. Derivative of y square 2y into dy by dx, chain rule apply. Derivative of x square only 2x, but derivative of y square with respect to x is 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of tan x with respect to x, derivative of tan x is c square x plus dy by dx. Take a dy by terms left side, x into dy by dx plus 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to c square x, no change. Then y into dx by dx is 1. So this is y into 1, that is minus y. Therefore dy by dx is equal to c square x minus y into 1y by coefficients x plus coefficient of dy by dx 2y minus coefficient of dy by dx here is 1. So, the answer is dy by dx is equal to c square x minus y by x plus 2y minus 1. Assignment. Find dy by dx if s cube plus s square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Find dy by dx if sin square y plus cos of xy is equal to k. Third, find dy by dx if sin square x plus sin cos square y is equal to 1. Here some rule, this is a second term product tool, y cube derivative is 3y square into dy by dx. Here sin square y 2 sin y into derivative of sin y cos y into dy by dx. Here cos of xy is equal to minus sin of xy into dy by dx of xy, that is a product rule, derivative of constant is 0. So, first question answer. Minus of 3s square plus 2xy plus y square by s square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Second question answer. Dy by dx is equal to y into sin of xy by sin 2y minus x into sin of xy. And third question answer, dy by dx is equal to sin 2x by sin 2y. Stop here.